Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Okay. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you three options. Okay. The first one is by using the restrict option. Second one is moving the chats from primary to general. Okay. And the third option is by using the Instagram's vanish mode. So first up, restricting. Okay. So go ahead and go to your DMs. Okay, but before you can do it all, okay, the methods that I've told you earlier, you will have to make your account a professional account. Okay, so go to your profile right here at bottom right. Now go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now just go ahead and find the For Professional section. Now go ahead and tap on Business Tools and Controls. Okay, and just make sure that you go ahead and switch your account type to professional or creator account, okay? Or even a business account, not personal. All right. And once that's done, go back to your DMs right here. Now, the first method is by restricting. Now, just go ahead and tap on the user. Okay. For example, this guy right here. Now, go to the top, tap on their profile. Now, tap on privacy and safety right here. Now, go ahead and restrict them. Okay. And once you restrict them, you want to go ahead and go back, and their messages will be under requests right here. Okay. Just make sure that you filter it out to all requests. All right. Now, the second option is by moving the messages from primary to general. Okay. To do that, tap and hold. Now go ahead and tap on move to general like so. And there will be right here. Okay. Now, the last option is by using the vanish mode. So tap on the user, swipe up. Okay, and as you can see here, it says not all messages needs to stick around. Swipe up for disappearing messages. New messages will disappear for everyone in the chat after a set of time. And you'll get screenshot notifications if Instagram right here detects if the other person tries to screenshot, okay? And the conversations can still be reported. Disappearing messages can be reported up to 14 days after they disappear. Now just go ahead and type down your message right here, and new messages and reactions will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. There you have it. That is how you hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.